Welcome back to Shiny Grades Online School. This is part 3 Integrated Science Junior School, well simplified by use of multiple choice questions. Please don't forget to subscribe. Question number 1. Matter is defined as anything that Question 2. Which one of the following is a pure substance? Question 3. An element is a substance that Question 4. The smallest particle of an element is called a Question 5. Which symbol is correctly written? Question 6. Which chemical symbol represents potassium? Question 7. Which element symbol is derived from a Latin name? Question 8. Which element is present in all foods? Question 9. Which mineral element strengthens teeth? Question 10. Milk is a good source of Question 11. Which element is used in toothpaste to prevent tooth decay? Question 12. Steel is a combination of Question 13. Gold is widely used to make jewelry because Question 14. A physical change is one that Question 15. Which change is a physical change? Question 16. Which property changes during a physical change? Question 17. The melting point of pure ice is Question 18. Which change is a permanent change? Question 19. Which class of fire involves flammable liquids? Question 20. The fire triangle consists of Question 21. Which fire extinguisher is suitable for electrical fires? Question 22. Which structure is found only in plant cells? Question 23. Amoeba is an example of Question 24. What's the total magnification when times 10 eyepiece and times 40 objective are used? Question 25. Diffusion occurs fastest in Question 26. Osmosis involves movement of Question 27. The energy stored in food is Question 28. In torch, chemical energy is transformed into Question 29. Pressure increases when Lastly, question 30. Liquid pressure increases with. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please find a moment of your time to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Shiny Grades Online School. Thank you for watching.